How to fix Discord age restriction on Discord. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly to apps or applications. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will search now just for Discord, and when you found Discord, just open it like this and then go to storage and click on clear data, click OK and go to force stop, click OK, and the last things is going to Play Store and update in your Discord again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any question, you can write it down in comments, and see you in another videos.